Hello everyone. Today we are going to show you how to add an additional key for a BMW BDC3. Then use this card holder to directly perform the key addition on the vehicle. No wiring required. Then a KEYDIY-FGB58 key is used. First, take it out and check it. Identical appearance. Let me demonstrate two methods for you. One method is to use the KEYDIY-X4. One method is to use the KEYDIY-MAX. First, we need to disassemble the circuit board of the original vehicle key. Now, let's take apart the original vehicle key. This is the circuit board of the original vehicle key. Then, you need to place this circuit board onto the adapter card. First, install the circuit board properly. After securing it, slide the two sides into place. Fix properly. Then check if the pins are aligned. 1 to 1. Then there is an interface here and another interface here. This port can be directly plugged into the KEYDIY-X4 for data reading. If you are using the KEYDIY-MAX, there will be a connecting cable. Plug the cable in like this. Then read the data in this way. One more thing to note is right here. It can be taken out here. After taking it out, one of them is the BDC3, one of them is the BDC2. If yours is the BDC3, short circuit the two full pins on the left side. If you are working with the BDC2, short circuit the two pins on the right side. As for this vehicle, it is equipped with the BDC3 module. Therefore, we need to short circuit the two pins on the left side. Additionally, there is another row of cables here. What is meant by a row of cables, wires, is that this clamp plate is only compatible with the BDC3 and BDC2 modules. However, if you want to use this clamp plate to read other key type, for example, a smart LCD key, or the Volkswagen 5C, 5D, you can draw 5 wires out from here. Then solder the circuit board to read and write the key. Okay, now let's first demonstrate the operation using the KEYDIY-X4. First, insert this clamp plate. Then power on the device. After the device is powered on, connect it via the mobile KEYDIY PP. Click Immo Programming. Click Smart Key Clone. Click BDC, BCP Smart Key Clone. Click G Chassis BDC2, BDC3, Rolls-Royce Clone. Then you can directly perform the reading operation. Okay? Reading successful. After a successful reading, place the FGB key in and remove the clamp plate. Then click Generate. This vehicle is equipped with a BDC3 module. Select BDC3. Select the frequency. This vehicle uses 433 MHz and 434 MHz. So we need to select this one. Okay. Then just install the battery in the key and it's ready to use. Install the battery and give it a test. Functioning normally. Then I'll demonstrate how to operate with the KEYDIY-MAX for everyone. The demonstration using the KEYDIY-X4 has just been completed. Now remove the clamp plate. After taking it out, plug in the programming cable. Insert here. After insertion, power on the device. First of all, you need to upgrade all versions to the latest. Click Homepage. Click Immo Programming. Click Smart Key Clone. Click BMW BDC3, BCP Smart Key Clone. Click G Chassis BDC3 Clone. Click Read Chip Data. OK, then you can select the key you need to program. If you still select FGB, then you still place the key inside the induction coil. Then click Generate. Once the generation is complete, the key can be used just like it was a moment ago. Now, let me demonstrate for everyone. First, we need to unplug the cable. Now place the circuit board into the induction coil. Then test the functions. First, turn off the vehicle's engine, then install the battery. All done, and wrap it up.